Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're explaining the Office 2021, Office 2019, Office 2016 applications. So these are generally the most common Microsoft Office applications. They're kind of the core few, if you will. And we're just going to explain a little bit about what you can do with each of them and how you might be able to incorporate it in your work or personal life. Now, if you're interested in your own copy of Microsoft Office or other Microsoft software, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. All right, so the first one we're going to talk about today is Microsoft Excel. So Excel is nothing new. It's been around for a long time, but it's a spreadsheet software that allows you to analyze and interpret data. So this would be commonly used for accounting. It could be commonly used for inventory and other things of that nature. Excel has many built-in features and functions that can make some of these tasks a lot easier to deal with. Now, really quickly, if you want to see a beginner's guide to any of the applications we're talking about in today's video, we've covered a video on each of these, and you can find those down in the description box below. All right, next on the list is Microsoft Outlook. Now, Outlook is an email-based software with a lot of additional features, and you don't have to have an Outlook email address to use it. So you can use it with any email address, and it basically just gives you more options, more features, such as setting rules, and there's a calendar so you could track events. It's just kind of a step up from a normal email service, and there's a lot of different things you can do with it. Next on the list is Microsoft PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is a program that will allow you to create professional presentations. And again, it's going to have many features that are going to help you do this very well. You can pick from design templates, you can draw, record yourself, and enter a presentation mode. And you can do a lot more with PowerPoint. So this is going to be a very popular choice for creating presentations. Next on the list, we have Microsoft Word. So Word is going to allow you to create primarily text documents that you can export as a PDF or continuously work on. Now, Word is more on the simple side, but there are some very helpful features such as spelling and grammar check. You can change fonts, layout, design, you can highlight, you can notate. So tons of stuff here. And again, its primary purpose is going to be to create text documents. I use Word a lot for interview questions with clients. And in high school, I used Word almost every class in English. So you're probably already familiar with it. And Word is an overall amazing tool for creating documents. And the last application we're going to be talking about in today's video is Microsoft OneNote. So OneNote is a digital note-taking app. If you're an Apple user and you use notes on your phone, iPad, or computer, it's kind of similar to that, but you're going to have more tools, you're going to have tabs and some other basic features that are going to help you take notes effectively. So you can easily find notes that you've taken previously, and you can also access this across all your devices, which makes it really easy to continue or save your work. And the last thing included with Office 2021 or previous versions is OneDrive. And OneDrive is like iCloud, like Google Drive, like Dropbox. It's a service where you can store data on the cloud. So data stored on the cloud means it's not stored locally on your machine. So there's an added fail-safe there, and you're not taking up personal hard drive storage. And on the newer versions of Office, OneDrive is a great tool to automatically save all of your work across these different applications that we were talking about. It's nice how they integrated it with Office to help save your work because you really don't have to think about it. You don't have to worry about where you're storing things. It's all just in the cloud, safe and secure. All right, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys found it helpful, we'd really appreciate a like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions or ideas for us, let us know in the comment section below. Again, if you're interested in your own copy of Microsoft Office or other Microsoft software, check out Indigo Software. We'll have the links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.